All right, designers, I have a newsflash for you. If you are not using some form of AI in your interior design business, it's only a matter of time before somebody that is going to take a job, a position, a sale from you. Let's be honest, okay? AI is efficient. It's a performance enhancer for interior designers. It is not a replacement tool, but what it can do is it can save you time. It can generate more money for you, generate more leads for you. And honestly, it's just helping designers clear across the board. And we are only in its infancy right now. We're about to see astronomical changes with AI in the next year, and I mean beyond. So why would interior designers fight this? It kind of reminds me of back in the day when I started eDesign Tribe back in 2018, though I had been doing eDesign, practicing virtually exclusively since 2015 when I left my corporate job. Reminds me of that when all these designers were kind of like, oh, eDesign sucks, it's virtual. How could you ever not step foot in a client's house and give them the same experience? You can't. It's different. They all are okay. There's no right or wrong reason to do this. AI does not replace you. It enhances you. And that is such an important takeaway. So I hope you check out AI for interior designers to stay up to date with the latest and greatest tools.